Nandito kami, nagtatago kami dahil nagkakaroon ng putukan.
Ala, pumapasok na sila lahat. Ano ba yan? Bakit nagkakaputukan dito sa Senado? Hindi na ito normal. Ano ba naman to? Talaga bang dadakipin na kami lahat? Bakit kami pinagbabaril dito sa labas?
Nagkakaroon na ng putukan.
I'm willing to face anyone who is going to serve the warrant or do whatever. I told you, you're welcome to serve. But do not do this. So please come.
Nandiyan si Senate President Allen Cayetano. Nandito yung mga ibang senador. Senator Bongo, Senator Mark. Hindi namin alam kung bakit nagkakaroon ng putukan. Nagkakaroon lang kami ng caucus dito. At nakarinig kami ng mga malalakas na putok. Ayan na, pinatay yung ilaw muna namin para hindi kami makita.
Sana pala nila mo yung conversation with Melvin.
Kayong dalawa kasi kayong mag-usap. Si Senator Tia and si Senator Lawrence called the NBI director. He said wala daw sila dito dahil pinaalis daw nila dito. So he said, please find out what's happening kasi nagpuputukan. Sabi niya walang magagawa kasi pinaalis. And then he started saying, huwag kami magtaas ng boses. What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-best na lahat and hindi man naman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Lauren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. Sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis nyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, well, then do your job. Make us safe. This is not good. Ma'am, huwag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, huwag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotions.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin and we're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi niya dadating na. So, again, no, kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin would understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, yung mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow the protocols.